Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to use Grok AI and also Perplexity AI to ask questions with any tweet in Twitter. So as you can see here, Elon Musk has officially tweeted ask at Grok is live. So we need to just tag with this at Grok and it will basically answer our question. And same thing happens when we use the ask Perplexity tag also. Ask a question and tag at the end and get the answers. So now let's see how this basically works. So here I'm having a particular tweet and this is the context, and now what I will do is I'll just go to the reply and I will just put a @ symbol and tagging ask Perplexity. I'll just put it here and let me just go with the question. So I will just ask this question which is related to this tweet and click on reply. And for Grok I'm going to do this and ask the same question and just click on reply. So after a few seconds or minutes, you will be getting an reply from Grok. So you will be getting an response which is related to that question that you have asked or about the particular tweet. So you'll be getting an instant reply like this. So you can also try it with Perplexity and it just does the same thing, to be honest. So that's the video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. I've done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.